today's video, I'm going to show you how to take one design and turn it into multiple designs in minutes using Kittl Flow. First thing you want to do is create a new project on Kittl. Once you have your blank canvas, I chose the size 5,000 by 5,000 pixels, and I did the 300 dpi, and all I did was upload an existing image that I already have that I've created previously. I just went over to uploads, uploaded the photo from my downloads, and now I'm going to go ahead and drag it over. Actually, I need to create a smart board first. Now I'm going to go ahead and drag it over. Now I'm going to see what I want to change about this image to turn it into multiple different types of images. I think the first thing I want to change are the flowers that I have in this image. So what you want to do is click on the smartboard, connect it to the original image, and then come over here to type in the prompt that you want. And I'm just going to type in keep the same style but change the flowers to, I'm just gonna click generate, see what it brings up, and this is what it brought up. It changed the flowers for me and it kept the same or similar style. I want to change the flowers again from the same image, so I'm gonna move this over. For some reason it won't work for me otherwise, and I'm gonna make another smart board. Let's see if I could drag this up. Okay, and drag this here. Zoom out, put the main image back. Okay, for this next image, let's see what the prompt was for this one. I'm just gonna take the same prompt, copy, and move it over to this new one, paste, and change the flowers to orchids. And then click generate, and I'm going to come down to this one. You can generate multiple ones at the same time. I'm going to come down here and I'm going to change this one to a passion flower and generate, and let's see what comes up. Then while that's generating, the next one I'm going to do is this one here. I just placed some icons at the top, and it's like a teacher thing. One is a good day to learn, and we're gonna see what we can do with this one. Okay, so it finished the orchid one and it came out beautiful. Yes, that one came out very nice. Okay, now I'm just waiting for the passion flower version. This one came out very nicely. Now I am going to go ahead and try out this one here with a prompt that I have. So I want to change these into mascot characters. So I already have a prompt. Give me one moment. First off, let me go ahead and make the smart board. All right, so let's go ahead and make sure the image is in the original artboard. I'm gonna click on the smart board and come over here, paste the prompt that I have, and click generate, and let's see what it brings up. I want it to, like I said, turn into mascot characters. And while we wait on that one, I want to see what I can do with this teddy bear here. And I think I want to try out changing the theme of this. So it's Valentine's theme right now, and I'm going to try Halloween theme. So I'm going to do the same thing, click on the artboard, click on smart board. Now I want to keep the same style but change it to different holidays. So I'm just going to type in something simple, keep the same style first, and see what it gives me. For this one, I'm just going to go ahead and copy the, okay, I guess I can't copy it while it's generating. That, and let's see how this comes out. Let's go ahead and zoom out and check out the mascot and see how that came out. Oh, that one came out pretty nicely. So it took the calculator, the globe, and the pencil and turned them all into characters. It kept the text the same because I did not ask for it to change the text. So this came out very nicely. Now what I want to do is turn it into fall theme. And I'm going to go off of this one now because I want to go off the mascot smartboard instead of the original. Click on the smartboard, click on smartboard again for a new one. Now I'm going to come over here and I want to change it to I'm just going to use fall and generate, and let's see what comes out of that. So this is how the fall version of the school version came out. I see they've changed the text. I can either remove it or I could just add "It's a good day to fall for learning." That could work as well. And let's see how the bear came out. So here's the fall bear. It came out very nicely, gave it some fall leaves in the background. It changed everything about it. Nothing about it is Valentine's themed, and that was the goal. Gave it a cute pumpkin to hold on to, a plaid bow tie. Very nice, very cute. Here's the Halloween one, and that came out really nice. I really like the bats that it put around in the background and the jack-o'-lantern pumpkins. Very nice. I like that one too. And the Christmas one, I really like that they added the poinsettia with the, what are those called? Pine cones. That is really nice. And some gifts on the side with some mistletoe. But you see how quickly you can come out with these different designs based off of just one design. This is great for if you just want to keep the main character the same, but you want to change everything around it, or the color, something about it you just want to change up without changing it completely. And that's exactly what Kittl has done for these images. And all I have to do is remove the background first. I have one more that I want to try out. Is this raccoon here. I'm going to go ahead and make a smart board. What I'd like to try with this one, the first one I want to do is generate. And then I'm going to come down here. Now I want to change the raccoon to a sloth. Let's see how that goes. Let's see what it gives me. I'm nervous for this one. Not sure how this one's going to turn out, so I'm crossing my fingers. But while that is generating, let me show you how you can remove the background. All you have to do is click the image that you're ready to move forward with and go ahead and convert it to an image. Next, I'm going to go ahead and select it again and remove background. And if you want to upscale it, if you want to upscale the quality, all you have to do is click right here and it will upscale the image for you as well. And now my image is ready for me to place on whatever I want to place it on. I can put this design on a t-shirt, a mug, a notebook, you name it. But that is how you remove the background and upscale the image and have it ready for the next part of your process, whether it be print on demand or you want to turn this into a DTF transfer. You got it. Let's go ahead and check back on my raccoon here. So I asked it to turn into a latte for this one. It changed the raccoon shirt, but that's fine. Overall, it still looks the same as the original, so that's good. And for the sloth, okay, it kept the raccoon tail. Let's see if I can remove that. But everything else came out good. It gave it boba tea instead of iced tea. That's fine. Let's see if we can take this and remove the tail and see. Uh-oh, I changed the actual image. So that's what happens if you keep the smart board selected. I should have made another smart board, so that's my fault, but it's okay. We're just gonna see what it does. And it actually gives you the time that it takes to generate the image as well, so you're not just sitting here wondering how long it's gonna take. And let's see what it gives me. Hopefully I don't have to generate the sloth all over again, but we're gonna find out. You're gonna learn through my mistakes. Okay, so this is what it gave me. I was afraid it was gonna bring it back to the raccoon, but that's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and try it over again. I'm gonna move this out the way. Another smart board. And once again, I'm gonna say, keep the style the same. Replace the raccoon So while we're waiting for that to generate, like I said before, when you're ready to make this a design you can work with on any garment, platform, whatever you want to do with it, go ahead and click convert to image. Once you've converted it to an image, select it and then click remove background. And also click upscale if you would like to upscale it. And just like that, my image is ready to be placed on my mock-ups. So now this is ready for whatever mock-up I'm ready to place it on. Like I said before, it could be mugs, t-shirts, composition books, notebook, anything of that sort, or maybe you're doing posters. And let's try out the turtle as well. I think I like, so let's go ahead and convert that one to an image. I'm gonna go ahead and upscale it before I remove the background. It doesn't matter which order you do it in, it's gonna turn out the same way. That one did not come out as great. I think it's because of the watercolor backgrounds. I don't think this will be best for a t-shirt. I will probably just use this as a tumbler wrap maybe, or for a poster, something of that sort, but not for a t-shirt unless you can go into another program and remove this blue background. So let's go ahead and go back to our sloth over here. Let's see how that came out. Cross fingers. Okay, it doesn't have a tail this time. Good. And we're good to go. It still gave it a boba drink. That's fine. Doesn't matter. I just wanted to change the character and see how it turned out. So now you see you can take one design and turn it into multiple different designs of your choice. Whatever you desire. This Kittl flow makes it 10 times easier and 10 times simpler to do and easy to batch your work for sure. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're interested in Kittl, definitely check out the link below. You can try it for free. And if you want to try out their pro plan, you can get 25% off with my code below. Until next time, I'll talk to you guys later. Also, if you have any questions about anything that I went through in this video, comment below.